Hello, this is Rasmus from World in a Frame, and with four recommendations for lesser known Danish movies. Here in Denmark, we have some very good directors and great film industry, and many movies are getting exposed internationally. But some movies they pretty much stay inside of Denmark, and I would like to focus on some of those. The first movie I will recommend is The Tree of Knowledge by Niels Malmros. It is a coming of age movie and one of my favorites in that category. The next I will recommend is The Screaming Throats. This is a very fun movie about a punk rock band and all the crazy things that are happening around them. Sort of a cult movie now by Søren Fauli. Then I'll recommend The Bench by Per Fly. The story about the alcoholics sitting on benches around in cities, and it's a heartbreaking story, but very important and sweet movie, but tough. And finally, Rose by Niels Arden Oplev. It's a great movie about mental illness, and a great performance by Sofie Gråbøl. But don't worry, it's not sad. It's funny and everything, but it's a really good movie. So four favorites, lesser well-known movies for me. And have a happy new year. Bye.